Hey, this is Amber Pritchard, and I'm here to give you my presentation over Prezi. The audience that Prezi is best used for is going to be the special ed students along with regular students. Prezi is a different way to display information, and students with speech and language impairments will find Prezi useful because it is such an active site that allows them to change things more than your average PowerPoint slides that you're offered. And next will be your product preview. It is an innovative and creative way to create and share presentations without using PowerPoint. This zooming presentation tool also offers collaboration features. You can upload existing PowerPoint presentations and tweak it to create your own images, text, audio, video, and animations. Harvard researchers have also found that Prezi is more engaging and effective than PowerPoint. Now, when it comes to the cost and the specials, standard for more of like your personal day-to-day use is going to be $7 a month. And then you can go up to their most popular one, which is going to be the Plus. And it's going to be everything you get with the standard, including the advanced presentator features and offline access starting at $19 a month. And then your premium for business professionals is going to be everything you get with the Plus, along with powerful and advanced online training starting at $59 a month, which is a lot, but usually you're able to do free trials, which help you get the job done just as well. Recommendations for Prezi though, I would recommend Prezi to students with speech and language impairments because it is useful for the students because it takes their voices out of needing them to present in front of the class, along with helpful instructions throughout Prezi's guidelines through their setup, so it's not hard for them to follow along. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation over Prezi.